Before we dive into setting up a new Python project in VS Code, let's make sure you're all caught up. If you haven't already, check out my previous videos where I walk you through installing Python and setting up VS Code on Windows. You don't want to miss these foundational steps. Head over to my YouTube channel and find the Python training playlist. Look for the videos titled Python Setup, Simplified Slang Style Guide for Windows, and Quick Start Guide, Setting Up VS Code for Python in No Time. These guides will get you set up smoothly and swiftly, ensuring you're ready to roll with no hiccups. Make sure you've watched these before you jump into coding. It's crucial to have your environment properly set up so everything runs like a charm when you start slinging code. Kick off a new project. Now that you've got VS Code open, let's start a new project. Fire up VS Code and pop open a new window. To keep things tidy, create a new folder somewhere you find it easy to access, like your documents or desktop. Then, in VS Code, go to File, Open Folder, and select the folder you just made. This is your project's home base. Dive into coding time to get your hands dirty. Right-click in the sidebar of your VS Code window in the folder you opened and choose New File. Name it something like Hello PI. The .py part tells everyone it's a Python file. Now, click on your new file to open it up and type the following line. Print Hello World. This line is your first program. It tells Python to shout out Hello World, a classic move for coding newbies. To run it, just right-click in the file and hit Run Python File in Terminal. Watch as Hello World pops up in the VS Code terminal. Feels good, huh?